Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how to make a DIY dream catcher. So in order to make this, we will be needing some materials such as a ring, some artificial feathers which are used for craft, some thread of two thicknesses, some colored beads, and now let's get started. First you need to take a ring and wrap it with a thick string and make a double knot to secure it in place. Make sure you wrap it very tightly so that it doesn't get opened at the end. Next, take a thinner string and make a double knot as shown. Next, you will take a thin string and tie a double knot on the ring so that it doesn't open. And next, you will be making an arc with it and pass a thread through it so that a knot is made. Next, you would have to repeat this process again and again until your web is complete. Once your first row is done, you would have to repeat the step with the strings in the middle of the dream catcher and tie a knot in the middle of each string so that a web-like pattern is created. Next, I will be taking some beads and adding it in between the dream catcher so that the beads can be within the web. After you're done weaving your pattern or the web in the dream catcher, I will be taking a bead whose hole is pretty small, and then I will be passing the thread after cutting it through it so that the thread doesn't get open and your pattern remains secured over there, and then your pattern in the dream catcher would be ready. Now let's make the bottom part of the dream catcher. First, cut the string into long strands. I will be using 3 of them because I'm making a small dream catcher. Then I will be tying a double knot on the base of the dream catcher, and then you need to pass a bead through the string and insert 2 feathers. I am using 2 feathers of light and dark blue artificial craft feathers. Similarly, you need to hang feathers, or if you don't want to hang feathers, you can also use ribbons or tassels, and anything would look really cute. with the bottom part of the dream catcher, let's see how to hang it. First, start by cutting a thick string that we used to wrap the dream catcher with in the starting of the video. Next, take the last two ends of the string that we had cut and tie a knot with it. Next, place the thick thread that we just tied a knot with below your dream catcher and pass it through the ring through the loop so that a knot is made. And with this, your dream catcher is ready, and now you can hang it anywhere you want. I will be hanging it on my wall grid in my bedroom. I really hope you liked my first DIY video, and in case you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments down below and I would love to answer. And I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and have a lovely day everyone. Bye.